at Stroud Loud. Let me tell you, these girls are looking good. I happen to be off for the next 3 days, so I'm gonna be around here all day for the next 3 days. I think it's time to go get these girls acclimated to the sun. I'm gonna move them outdoors today for just maybe 2 or 3 hours. The following day, again, maybe the same thing, 2 or 3 hours, and maybe by the third day, I'll see if I can't keep them out there a full 6 hours, if the weather holds. We are expecting some rain coming in, but I don't think that's gonna happen until about Monday. So today's Friday. I'm gonna just stair step them into a little bit of sun acclimation, and we're gonna see how they do. Now, you know I do have this greenhouse outdoors, and by all means, folks, understand, you don't need to have a greenhouse. I just got this because I got it cheap. It's been with me 2 or 3 seasons now, and it's already beat up, and it's taken sun damage, but it at least will protect my girls from the wind. And we got a little bit of wind today. So I'm gonna put them out on the shelves, give them a little bit of protection from the wind, and see how they like that sun.